The smartphone industry in 2025 is all about AI, performance efficiency, and ecosystem integration. And that's exactly where Google is aiming to make its boldest statement yet with the Pixel 10 Pro XL. This isn't just another yearly refresh. It's the first Pixel powered by the new Tensor G5 chip built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, marking the biggest leap in Pixel history. Combine that with a huge 5200 mAh battery, Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging, up to 1 TB storage, and the brightest Super Actua display Google has ever shipped. And suddenly, this phone isn't just catching up to Samsung and Apple. It's positioning itself to outsmart them with AI-driven experiences that no other brand can match. But here's the real question. Is this the Pixel that finally justifies its premium $1,199 price tag? Or is it just another evolutionary step wrapped in a shiny package? Let's break it all down. Performance and hardware leap. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to be powered by Google's new Tensor G5 chip, built on TSMC's 3nm process. That means major gains in both processing power and efficiency compared to the previous Tensor G4. It's paired with 16 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or even up to 1 TB, Apple-style storage tiers with no 128 GB base model. Massive battery and faster charging. With a 5200 mAh battery, the Pixel 10 Pro XL would have the largest battery in Pixel history. Ideal for power users. Expect slightly faster charging, up to 39-watt wired, and newly introduced Qi 2 wireless charging with magnetic alignment via Pixel Snap accessories. Display and design. The design will closely mirror the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Same dimensions, 1628 to 76 × 6 × 8.5 mm. And weight, about 232 grams, flat sides, and a pill-shaped camera bar. Display is a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED Super Actua with 120 Hz refresh rate, high HDR quality, and extreme brightness up to 3000 nits. Camera and photography enhancements. Camera hardware remains largely the same. Triple rear array with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel periscope telephoto, 5x zoom, plus a 42-megapixel front camera. But AI improvements, like the rumored camera coach and advanced features from the upcoming Gemini AI, are expected to extract even better results from the same hardware. Software and AI features. Launching with Android 16, the Pixel 10 Pro series may introduce AI-powered tools like Camera Coach, Pixel Sense Assistant, voice image editing, speak to tweak, and personalized suggestions. Pricing and variants. Price is expected to start at $1,199 for the 256 GB model, effectively raising the entry point due to the removal of the 128 GB variant. It will be available in colorways including obsidian black, porcelain white, jade, green gold, and moonstone, grayish blue. Who should consider it? If you're a power user, love long battery life, and want top-tier AI-driven features in a Pixel package, the Pro XL is shaping up to be a compelling pick. If you're still comfortable with Pixel 9 Pro XL performance and camera quality, the incremental nature of these upgrades might not justify the jump, unless you really value the new chip, faster charge, and larger battery. There you have it, the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Unassuming on the surface, yet potentially game-changing under the hood. Bigger battery, magnetic Qi 2 charging, and a brand new Tensor G5 chip that could finally bring Pixel up to speed. Is it enough to dethrone the Android champion, or simply refine it? We'll find out come August.